Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Ford Transit Connect wiper blades. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself. First, gather your new wiper blades, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition completely off. It's also a good idea to place a towel or cardboard on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage during the replacement. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off the hook. If you're not immediately putting on a new blade, gently lower the arm back down to avoid damaging your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check that it is firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This ensures a safe and effective installation. Finally, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Before hitting the road, activate your windshield wipers with some washer fluid to test their operation. Ensure they clear the glass smoothly and quietly. Remember to inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear, like streaking or chattering, every 6 months. For optimal visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades at least once a year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.